Hello Space Cats, I'm Dr. Maggie Lou and welcome back to my channel. This week, in conjunction with Go Stargazing, I'm going to be talking about the Mercury-Venus conjunction, what exactly it means for you and how we can observe it. So let's start. So the other day I went to YouTube and I did a quick search of Venus-Mercury conjunction, and this is what I found. Yep, I was so shocked. All of these videos are astrology and not one astronomy video up there. So here are some of the things that I found online. Mercury conjunct Venus natal makes you loving, cultured and honest. Yeah, that's right, because moving planets can change your character for the day. Mercury conjunct Venus transit is the right time to tell the person that you love that you love them. So I'm pretty sure this one could get you a slap. As Mercury rules trade and Venus rules money, you could do well in business and enjoy buying and selling. How can anyone exactly do any business during this lockdown and economic downturn? Making new friends is now possible because of increased social interactions. Social distancing, guys, it's still a thing. Okay, so enough with the jokes and in with the real science. What exactly is a Mercury-Venus conjunction? Well, a conjunction is an astronomical event where two astronomical bodies appear to move close together on the sky. In this case, those two bodies are Mercury and Venus. It's important to note, however, this is only as seen from Earth. If, for example, you lived on Mars, then you wouldn't see any conjunction at all, because in reality, these objects are still very far apart. Mercury is 58 million kilometers from the Sun, and Venus is 108 million kilometers away from the Sun. So why does this happen? Well, Mercury, being in closest orbit to the Sun, makes a full revolution every 88 days. Venus is a bit further out, taking 225 days. And this means that Mercury will have 2.5 orbits around the Sun before Venus even has one. To see the conjunction from Earth, Mercury, Venus and the Earth need to be aligned or very close to aligned. But not only that, since Venus and Mercury live within Earth's orbit, this means that we need to look towards the Sun to see them. And this can be quite hard too, not just because of the sunlight, but also because Mercury is tiny. In fact, this is one of the reasons that most people will have never even seen Mercury before, even though it's more than bright enough to be seen with the naked eye. So how can you see it? Well, approaching May 22nd this year, Mercury and Venus will start to head towards each other and then move away. From the UK, you should be able to see it low on the horizon after sunset, but before it starts to set at around 11 p.m. To find it, you want to look northwest for the bright Venus. It's pretty much unmissable at minus 4.15 magnitudes. It's the brightest thing in the sky apart from the Sun and the Moon. It will be about 20 degrees from the horizon, and just below it you'll find the tiny dot of a planet, Mercury. It's probably the easiest time of the year to see Mercury. Unfortunately, this conjunction, along with all the other conjunctions, hold no scientific value. But they sure are nice to observe. These events are not even rare. In fact, the Mercury-Venus conjunction happens roughly once per year. So all the astrology readings, they really are just nonsense, or else you'd be making the same predictions over and over again. Let me know if you get a chance to see it, and don't forget to check out Go Stargazing for more tips on astronomy. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, share and subscribe.